Washington DC and the surrounding areas, I'm coming to you September 14th and 15th to teach some classes. But before we talk about that, let's talk about 6 years and 4 months ago. I went to Capitol Hill on behalf of all eBay sellers with the eBay DC Fly-In, where we spent the day working Capitol Hill, talking to senators and congressmen to let them know that they need to protect the small business owners. It was a great day on the Hill, and I was happy to do it. I also went back 4 years and 4 months ago and did it all over again. And it's very rewarding to be the one to represent all of us who sell online to make sure our voices are heard on Capitol Hill. And these are the awesome socks I wore. But now, let's talk about my classes that are coming to you. Take a peek at what goes on during my class. Day one of my classes is in the thrift store, as you just saw, and day two of my class is a classroom class. I teach you everything from the stuff you need to find, how to take pictures of it, how to list it, how to ship it, and how to get paid. Get paid more for your stuff than your competition. They're a lot of great fun. Click on the link below to get signed up, and I will see you in Washington, DC, September 14th and 15th for a 2-day class. Talk to you later. Bye.